If you own a RAV4 Hybrid, there's a 90% chance you are worried about the wrong thing. Scroll through any owner group right now and you will see the same panic. My battery is at 120,000 miles. Should I sell? What if it dies tomorrow? The fear is real, but the facts, they got twisted somewhere between the service bay and Facebook. Today I am breaking down 3 things nobody clarifies about these batteries, including what actually happens when they age, what it really costs in 2026, and the warranty details most owners in your state don't even know they have. This isn't hype. This is what the service records actually show. First, Toyota has been building these hybrid systems since 1997. That is nearly 3 decades of real-world data across millions of vehicles. And the track record on RAV4 hybrid batteries, it's one of the most reliable components in the entire car. There are original batteries out there right now with 250,000 miles still doing their job. Does that mean every battery lasts forever? No. But the idea that you need to panic, sell your car at year 8 because it's about to blow, that's not data, that's anxiety. But let's talk worst case. Let's say yours does need attention. Is your wallet about to get wrecked? Not necessarily. And that's where the second myth dies. Myth number 2. It always a $6,000 hit if you walk into a dealership and demand a brand new OEM battery pack with full labor. Sure, that number you can get high, but in 2026, independent hybrid specialists are installing remanufactured RAV4 battery packs for $2,000 to $3,000, parts and labor included, and battery reconditioning where they balance the individual cell modules instead of replacing the whole housing. That can run under $1,000 and extend life another 5 to 7 years. The technology has evolved, the prices have dropped, the forums just haven't updated. Third truth, and this is the one that confuses everyone. When a RAV4 hybrid battery degrades, it does not turn into a regular gas car. These systems are integrated. The electric motors help manage the transmission and power delivery. If the battery completely fails, the vehicle enters a protective limb mode or shuts down. It cannot simply run on gas alone like an old Camry. But here's what actually happens in the real world. Gradual degradation. You might see a check hybrid system light. Your miles per gallon might drop 5 or 10 points. Acceleration feels softer. The car is protecting itself and telling you to get it checked. It doesn't mean you are stranded on the highway tomorrow. It means you have time to plan, price, shop, and decide between reconditioning or replacement. That's a very different story than the ticking time bomb narrative. One last detail that should be legal to not know. If you are in California, or any state following California emissions standards. That's over a dozen states including New York, New Jersey, Massachusetts. Your hybrid battery warranty isn't 10 years or 100,000 miles. It's 10 years or 150,000 miles. That extra 50,000 miles covers a lot of owners who think they are out of warranty when they are absolutely not. Check your state's emissions rules before you pay a dime out of pocket. So stop letting forum horror stories scare you out of one of the most proven vehicles on American roads. The RAV4 hybrid battery isn't a mystery or a guaranteed disaster. It's a maintainable component with a long track record, dropping repair costs and warranty coverage most people overlook. Buy it, keep it, drive it. If this stopped you from panic selling your RAV4, hit subscribe. I break down one automatic myth every week with the actual numbers. Drop a comment if you have got over 100k on your original hybrid battery. Let's see how many are still going strong. See you in the next one.